Perchance AI video generator tutorial. How to create videos. Want to create AI videos with Perchance? Here's a quick tutorial on how to get started. So first and foremost, go ahead and open Perchance on your browser and then go ahead and open the AI video generator tool. Now from here, you need to type a text prompt describing the video you want. Be specific with style, mood, and details. Now adjust the settings. Customize settings like resolution, duration, and artistic style to match your vision. Now click on generate to let Perchance create your AI video. Download your video and share it instantly on TikTok, YouTube, or Instagram. And that's it. Prompt, customize, generate, and share. Perchance makes AI video creation simple.